What's up, everyone? All right, we're doing some more back testing. We're just going to continue where we left off last night. And basically, what we're doing is we've made a change, a little tweak in our strategy. And as of right now, we are averaging 5% better per month as a total return on investment. We've only done 3 months so far. But compared to our previously back tested, the way we back tested things previously. So things are looking pretty good in terms of how things are looking with this little tweak we made. We get to day and time we're going to start on. Okay, so at this point, we're up 47.2% after 3 months, first 3 months of the year. And I believe, yeah, like I said, we're averaging 5% better. So we're 15% higher than where we were before we changed this little rule. And basically, what we're doing instead of just going for more when we raise up our standard or move our standard, which all of this is going to make a little bit more sense later, or if you've seen any of my previous backtesting videos, this should make sense. But instead of just moving our standard and going for more, not moving any stop loss or anything like that, we actually will close half of the trade and move our stop loss of the remainder to our entry. So we're basically guaranteed profit at that point. Theoretically, and so far, but theoretically, we should have a little bit higher win rate. Our big winners aren't going to be as big, but the losers do tend to be large, just in general. So this should mitigate large losers. And yeah, that's kind of what it's been doing so far. So like I said, we're averaging about 5% better per month so far. So without further ado, we're just going to left off where we or start where we left off. So again, the strategy super simple. Gold trading between 7:31 and 9 a.m. 10-minute chart, 1-minute chart. I got my TNT lines on the 10-minute chart, orange, dotted blue, and the thick blue, or the big blue as I like to call it. When the orange and big blue are facing the same direction and the dotted blue is facing the opposite, we will take a trade in the direction of the orange and the big blue. And then a couple different rules for exiting the trade, and we'll kind of go over those as we get into those scenarios. Okay. All right. Make sure. Okay. So nothing to start. So we'll just click forward until we see our first trade. And we're never going to be taking a trade when both blues are facing the same direction, so that kind of makes it easy just to click forward pretty quick. All right, we have a buy now. We still have the standard stop loss of it's 500 points, technically $5. And then we don't have a set take profit, so that kind of, again, goes back to how we're the rules for exiting a trade, whether in profit or loss, it's going to be different. So we're going to go ahead and take a buy here. Actually, we need to change our lot size. So we were just doing a flat 10 lots per trade, which we still are doing, but we're going to do 2 5-lot trades so that we can close one out to simulate closing half of a trade. So, all right, we're buying, and we're just going to get through this as fast as we're able to. Well, that wasn't a lovely thing that happened. Actually, I need to go back and check something. Might have missed something. Okay, we actually do need to close this trade. So one of our rules, if we're at our standard or our entry, and then blue flips, we close if we close above our entry. So small profit there. And on to the next, which is probably going to be a sell here in just a minute. Yep, there it is. All right, there's a sell. So again, 2 trades. Okay, so we're in profit. Okay, so we close the trade. If we close, in the case of a sell, if we close above the body of the previous candle, unless our TNT lines are still the same as they were direction wise when we entered the trade. If that's the case, then we will move our new standard to where the price currently is and close half of the trade. So basically, we're going for, we're going for some profits, and then we're gonna leave a runner. But we have to be $1 away from our entry in order to do that. But yeah, so this is a good trade. So almost 1,400 there. We'll take it and on to the next. We have a buy right here. Whoa. Did I miss it? Oh, jeez. Why did I do that? Okay. We have hard rules with if our thin lines flip opposite from where they were when we entered the trade, then we close it out no matter where we are. Just a hard rule. Okay, our blue flipped, so we're just going to try to get back to our entry. We'll close it out if we close above our entry. Got close there. Okay, we got... Okay, so now if this orange points down, then our thin lines are going to be opposite from where they were when they entered, so we'll close it out. Hopefully we can just get above our... There we go. Okay, so it ended up being a profitable trade. But if it went down, we would have had to close out for a loss. Okay, so first day of April is a green day. And we'll speed up as we kind of get used to... as I kind of explain some more of the scenarios, and I won't be talking as much as we get a little further in, unless you guys have questions. Okay. Alright, so this is a scenario where our orange and dotted blue flipped opposite, so we'll close out for a loss, and we'll just wait for the next entry. And it looks like it mitigated a little bit of extra upward move, or having to eat up some extra upward movement there, and we're actually getting a sell again. Oh, really? Okay, so that's kind of worst case scenario where we hit our max stop loss, but it's there for a reason. And okay, blues are facing. Wow, that is huge. That is a big move. Okay, we're actually getting a sell now. This is huge. That is insane. That is massive. Holy cow. Oh. Wow. These are massive moves. Holy crap. It wants us to keep going down. I mean, it's got to go. There's going to be a pullback. But, oh my gosh. Okay. All right, our big blue flips. So we are just going to try to get back underneath our entry. That's actually a decent trade. But we lost $10,000 on those two bad trades there. So we got some ground to make up, which unfortunately we're taking a buy here, and we went forward a couple candles, and I know it's going to go down. So hopefully this doesn't hurt too bad as we hit our max stop. Oh. Okay, we're actually getting a buy now. This is so volatile. Gosh, we gotta get a winning trade here. Okay, we gotta close. Okay, I'll close that. Holy crap. Oh man, I shouldn't have even taken. No, no, no. Okay, well, that was just a terrible day. Jeez. Holy cow. Okay, this is actually a sell. Barely. Okay. So we're going to close half there. Move our stop. And there's our new standard. So we're treating this as our entry, basically. We're going to just see if we can get a little bit of a run here. That's kind of the point to this. All right. Okay, so we secured that. Oh, but then it goes back down. Okay, so we could have gotten a little bit more with the previous rules, but assuming that we got out before that did, though. Was I supposed to get in the middle earlier? Yep, got an entry here. Wait, what? Hang on. Something's wonky here. Yeah, that was a trade. Okay, I'm actually getting a signal to get out, so that's interesting. Okay, there's a sell. Here we go. Okay, lock up that 2700. Move our entry. New standard. T&Ts are still bearish. So let's see if we can get some more. Alright, T&Ts are now bullish. So we'll close out where we are and take a buy. Oh, we were so much lower though. Oh well. These are still big candles. Another max loss, and T&Ts are still bullish, so we're just gonna hop right back in. Was it though? Yeah, it was. Interesting. Okay, we're actually going to close this out because our T&Ts are no longer how we want them. So almost a $5,000 trade there. So lots of volatility starting out in April, which hopefully we'll be able to take advantage of that, or it'll start going in our favor. Oh man, is that a sell? Yeah, here's a sell. So close that. Oh, actually shouldn't have taken that because we're not taking trades past 9. So delete that and on the next day. All right, take a sell here. Okay, our blue is no longer facing the right way. Was it ever? Yeah, okay. So that's... just close it out for 5,600. So another really good trade. Alright, so we're... our high water mark previously was 55,000, so we've been trying to break that for quite a while, actually. Our growth curve has slowed down, or been somewhat stagnant through March. Let's see if we can make some new highs on our growth curve. Okay, so this is exactly, so this is 500. If that's 1,000, that's exactly the minimum that we want to close out half. Okay, so we're basically locking that $500 there as profit by moving up our remaining our stop loss to where our original entry is, and then we're receiving run. So that's the change we made. Previously, we didn't have any runners. We didn't move our stop loss or anything. We just kept the whole thing and hoped that it just kept going up. Okay, move our standard up again since our TNTs are still bullish. And right, let's see, actually. Okay, so right here we're going to close since our blue flipped, dotted blue, so we'll close that, so that's good. On to the next. Okay, next day. Okay, we're getting close to our high water mark. Oh! Okay, hang on. Yeah, data is off. So we actually just skip this day. Okay, you have a sell. Okay, we're actually going to close half here. Set a new standard. Move our stop loss. Yeah, I kind of had a feeling we were going to get stopped out there, but hey, took $500. Now, if we get stopped out, and if TNTs are still going the direction of the original trade, we just wait for that 10-minute candle to post before we look at doing anything. Okay, so that did flip. We could have gotten a little bit more, but that's okay. Okay, we have a buy. Just barely. Our orange flipped up, and now it's down again. Okay, we're still in it. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. So blue flip, so let's close everything out right here. And when I say blue, if I don't say big blue or dotted blue, if I just say blue, I'm referring to big blue. It's a little bit more consequential in our particular trade plan. Yeah, we're going for a sell. Ooh, very good. Could have our high water mark here. Close half. Yeah, we finally matched our high water mark. Let's see if we can close above. Move our standard. Move our stop loss. Okay, we're actually getting a buy signal, so we'll close that out there, and we officially broken our high water mark. So we're making new gains. Going into a buy. Okay, not quite high enough to sell half, or close half rather. Ooh, there we go. Okay, now we'll close half. New standard. See if we can get a little run here. All right, everything flipped. Now, if everything flips while we're above our standard, which we are, just business as usual unless we get back below. So we'll just close out right here. Close below the body of the previous candle. We might... Oh, hang on. Yep, okay, so we're on to the next day. Just making sure we're not taking trades after 9 because we stopped trading. Per the rules of our trade plan, we might do some more back testing a little bit later to see if it's how things go past 10 o'clock, or past 9 o'clock rather. And again, this is mountain time, so basically stock market open, and then for an hour and a half. Okay, have a sell here. Okay, we gotta close that out for a loss. We have a buy right here. Looks like we're running up against some resistance here. We're actually getting another signal to get out of that trade for a loss as it goes right back up. As it do. That's how it be. And we're getting a buy again. Oh, man. Okay, went a little bit too low there. Okay. Okay, we're still... Okay, hold on. We're actually getting signal to close since our blues flip, so basically breaking even on that one. And we're going to take... Let's see. We're going to take a sell here. Okay, so business as usual. Okay, we'll close that out there. So basically breaking even again. Oh, man. I do not feel awesome. I ate a full clove of garlic. Not, I mean, kind of raw. I mean, I've been experimenting with garlic lately, and if you let garlic sit in raw honey for a couple weeks, it ferments, and there's some health benefits supposedly. And it's been about 2 weeks, and I ate one, and it was about what you would imagine eating a clove of garlic is like. This is actually a massive trade. We're up 10,200 right now. And we actually get to close half of that. So lock up 5,100. See if we can get a little bit of a run here. Secure that. If we're this far away, I might even experiment with like moving our stop loss to where a natural fractal would be. So like maybe moving it right, about right here, but maybe not. Just gonna see if we can get some more here. Keep an eye on my TNTs. Okay, so our blue flipped. Actually, everything flipped there. So we're gonna actually close this out and go for a buy right at 8 o'clock. Looks like it will be to our benefit. Okay, close half there. Move up our standard. Move our stop loss to break even, so we're locking everything in. No one ever went broke taking profits. Okay, we're actually gonna close it out there since our blue flipped and we're close below the body of the previous candle. So we got a couple extra bucks there. We're now at 66,000, so we're well above our previous high water mark. So we're making new highs, which is great. Even though we had that really bad day kind of near the beginning, we've more than made up for it. Just sticking to the plan, following the rules. Okay, we get to close half of that. And let's see if we can get some more. Okay, our blue flip, so we're just going to close it out if we can get below our standard again. Assuming we don't get closed out before, so we'll close it out there. And because our small lines flipped there, and we're actually going to go for a buy now. Oh, of course it goes right back down. We're still in this, though. Even at the 9 o'clock post. So you can get some 9 o'clock magic going. Doesn't look like the 9 o'clock magic is going to go our way because we're getting the signal to exit this trade. Okay, so green day overall. Last trade could have went better, but it's all good. Get out of here. Okay, taking a buy. Interesting price action going on. Okay, we're going to close half, lock up 750 in profit. Nope, we're going to close both since our big blue no longer facing the right way, so we'll lock up that 1500. Okay, and we're going to take a sell right here. Okay, TNTs are still bearish. Not quite low enough. Here we go. Oh, so good. Keep going, keep going. Perfect. Okay, and we'll just close that out for a $3,800 profit. Guys, this is 3.5 months. This is insane. And it's just going to keep getting better. Okay, next day. Whoa. There's a buy. Oh, my tummy feels funny. Okay, close that out there. Take a little bit of a loss. On to the next. Is that what a buy? Yeah, so we hadn't closed that out. We'd be dealing with that big terrible move there. See if we can get a buy here. I bet we get a buy. Nope, just kidding. If anything, yep, there it is. We're gonna get a sell. Okay, close half out. Close all of it. Our orange isn't pointing the right way anymore. So 1100 profit there. Not bad. And that's funny. We're actually getting another trade, a sell right here. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I won't complain about it. Okay, and we'll close it out. So yeah, I mean, that's another 830 bucks that we wouldn't have gotten otherwise. So yeah, keep in mind this isn't taking into account spreads or commissions or broker fees or whatever. This is just kind of ideal scenario, so that's something that we need to take into account after we get all our data. There's a good one. Okay, close half. Okay, we got a little bit more there. Our blue flipped. And we're getting a buy now. Okay, our orange. All right, we're getting a sell, so that wasn't very lovely. Have to close that one out. We're going to see if we can get some downward movement. Making sure, keep it close on my TNTs. Okay, there's a good movement there. Oh, there it is. Okay, close that out. So I think that pretty much made up the last trade. Almost, not quite. Blues are facing the same way. There we go. Dotted flipped, so we'll take a buy here. Okay, there we go. Get to close out that whole thing out there actually. And make sure we didn't take a trade after 9. We didn't. Okay, on to the next. So where were we at the beginning? We were like 40, 48? 48? So we're up almost 30% after not even the whole month. We still have a lot of time left. I mean, we could draw it down. But we could just keep going up. 63%. It's really good. 63% win rate. Previously, before we changed rules, we had a 58% win rate after back testing the entire year. So we're sitting at 63 right now. So we're doing good. We're sitting pretty so far. But I'm really liking how this is going so far. Okay, not quite high enough to be able to take out half there. All right, now we are. Okay, so ooh, that's really good. 1765, so we're locking that up. Yeah, I mean, there seems to be a natural kind of level right here. So, I don't know, maybe we can play around in the future with moving our stop loss to like right here maybe. But we're happy that we're making, or that this trade plan is successful as it is. So we're just gonna keep going. Gonna move up our standard again. Yeah, if we decide to move our stop loss higher into profit, it's gonna definitely be more kind of what feels good, I think. But you can't go wrong in any case. I mean, you might not be able to get as much potentially, but you're still making a successful winning trade. And we're gonna move it up a little bit more. I do kind of like the idea of maybe, yeah, I don't know. Hang on, when did okay, we actually need to close it out right here since our blue did flip. It's really good trade. Really good trade there. About as ideal as you can. Oh. As it shoots up right when we close it. I mean, if that happens in the live market, you just have to remind yourself, hey, I made money. But you're not going to catch every big move. You just have to be happy with what the market allows you to take. But sometimes you do get the big moves. Okay, we're not quite high enough to close that one. And I do think we're going to get a good pop up here in just a sec. Pop. There it is. I don't know how I knew that. It just felt right. Okay, we'll close that out. Move our stop loss. New standard. Let's see if we can go for more here. Nope. And we're actually going to go for a sell. Oh, no, just kidding. 9 o'clock. We don't take trades after 9. At least not yet. Yeah, it's supposed to be sell. Ooh! Max stop. That hurts. This is just weird. Okay, we'll probably take a sell here, maybe. Okay, we're taking a sell now. Okay, we're gonna close that and go for a buy. Okay, we're still in it. Still in it. Okay, we'll close it. Okay, yeah, our dotted blue flipped, so we'll close that there. Okay, so we're only $4,000 down for this day. Let's see if we can claw that back here with a sell. Okay, we're getting some consolidation. Oh, we're still in it. Okay, we actually just got a... darn, we just got a buy there. Buy signal, so we just have to close it out. Okay, so a little bit of a loser there. Not a great day. But we're still up almost 30% for the month, though, so far, so can't complain about that. About 25% right now, close to. Started at 48,000. We're assuming that we're trading a $100,000 account right now. 10 lots per $10,000 on gold. Okay, not quite high enough. So you can bounce back up. There we go. So just barely not there. However, blues flipped, so we will actually just close that whole trade. On to the next. Which is going to be sell right here. Here we go. Okay, lock that up and close out half. Move our entry. New pseudo entry. Oh, okay. All right, got closed out there. So we locked up that $1,000 there. Where if we hadn't, we'd be running a pretty big loss. Negative P&L, and it would have been bad. So we definitely mitigated a large loss. So we turned a big loser into a $1,000 winner. So I'm really liking the little tweak we made. It's making a massive difference so far. Okay, these are pretty big candles. Okay, right here we're getting told to get the crap out. Which is good, because we would have got full stopped out there. Okay, so this is interesting. We're actually getting a sell signal right now. Now, why it's interesting is because as these move up, this actually moves down just ever so slightly. I don't know if you can see that very well, but right here it is now officially pointing down, which gives us a signal to sell. Now, if it goes down, it's going to be pointing up, so it's a little... Yeah, I mean, it's pointing up now. Barely. So technically we close this out since it's not pointing the right way anymore. But hey, it'll take a little bit. Just scrape that off the top. We should coin a name for that sort of trade. We can call it, I don't know. It's like when you cook something in the crock pot, and when you're done, there's like that kind of slightly gooey burnt stuff where it goes up. It's like scraping that. And it's like the most delicious part. I don't know. I think it is. I'm so weird. And the best part is no one is even on the stream. No one has even got on yet. So I've just basically been talking to myself. So if you're watching this later, you're watching a man talk to himself. And for that, you should like and subscribe. Alright, we just took a sell. These are nasty candles. Eee, nasty. What in the world is going on? We don't get a buy here. I want to take a buy. All right, there's a buy. Jeez. All right, we got a max stop there. Okay, here we go. Close out half. Move our entry. Boop. Woohoo! Okay, that didn't quite close below the body of the candle. That one does. Okay, so we'll close that one out there. See, just half of that was worth 5,290. That second leg, that runner. Let's see with that first. Yeah, so 1,600 and then 50, almost 5,300. So it's really good. Now, granted, old rules, this would have been a $10,000 trade, but yeah, like I said, our really, really big wins are going to be a lot smaller, but it seems to be that sacrificing the really big wins for a little bit smaller wins in order to mitigate some of the larger losses, mitigating the larger losses is ending up being more beneficial for us so far. Okay, we can take a sell. Awesome. Close that 1,700. New standard here. Okay, move our standard down again. Okay, let's see if we can just make our way back. Okay, TNTs are still bearish. All right, blue flip there. Close it out here. Awesome. So picked up a little bit more. So 1,700, 2,600. So picked up 900 extra dollars. We're probably going to get a buy here in just a sec. Yep, there it is. TNTs are still bullish. Okay, now we're actually getting a sell. But it's past 9, so we're just going to close it out. Take a buy. Oh! Jeez. Okay, hit our max stop there. That stinks. But we're still getting a buy, so when did we get knocked out? 36. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna hop in here. Yeah, I got that rebound. Okay, still not high enough. Now it is, so we'll lock up that 525 and see if we can make some upward movements here. Okay, we got knocked out there. Okay. And TNTs. Okay, we're just waiting for that post. Okay. Our orange points down. We'll take a sell. Okay, now we're actually taking a buy. Very good. Okay, that didn't close below the body, just barely. That one did. So we'll close half. Move our stop. Set the new standard. Okay, now we just want to get back above our standard line. We'll go ahead and close it. There it is. Picked up a little bit more there. A couple $100. Gonna go for a sell. Yep, there's a sell. There we go. That is still barely facing down, so we'll close half here. Oh man. Keeping a close eye on my blue. This is one of those gravy moments. Gravy trade. That's what we'll call it. Alright, it's officially flipped. Convincingly. In so much that we'll actually close the trade. So got a little bit less there. Just happy it's a winner though. We're at a 63% win rate, so that's looking real nice. Bet we take a buy here. Nope, just kidding. Okay, we're gonna take a sell. Oh, hate that. Did we get closed out? Ah, yeah, we got closed out right here. That's unfortunate. Okay, it's going for another sell. Okay, not low enough. Gotta get down a little bit more. Okay, close that one out as well, and we're gonna go for a buy. Okay, not quite high enough. Okay, we're going to close that out. Take a sell. Okay, we're still in it. We just want to get back to our entry. There it is. We're going to close that out. Yeah, if the blue flips while you're in the negative, basically we're lucky if it gets back into the realm of profitability. So we just close it out. It's probably going to bounce back up and make its way up here. Or not. Okay, I have a sell. That does look like it is above, just barely by 1 cent, so we'll close half. Move our standard. Okay. And we'll close it out since our blue flipped there. Dotted blue flipped as well, so we're probably going to be taking a buy here in just a minute. Nope, it's 9 o'clock, so we're not. But let's see if it does go up. Nope. Okay, that was wrong. Oops. 26, 27. Okay. Okay. Interesting place for it to want us to take a buy. We are pretty far away from our pressure on our 10 minutes. We actually haven't touched pressure in a long time. So this could either be really good or really bad. I'm actually getting a Yeah, we're actually going to sell half right here, which I really like the idea of, just because our pressure does look like it could go any direction at this point. So we're locking up 1,000. Oh man, yeah, that's a little better. Okay, let's see if we can get some more. Nice, nice, nice. Still have bullish TNTs. Okay, still bullish, so we're just going to keep moving our standard up. All right, there it is. Awesome. So 3,400 and 1,000, so 4,400, 4,500 actually. Very good, very good, very good. Why did I... Oops. You know what? I went to the next day for some reason. Go back to where we closed that, right here. All right, on to the next trade. There's a buy. Awesome. Close it out there. These are pretty small bars, actually. I thought that was going to be a little bit bigger. Okay, next day. At the last day of April. All right, so as of almost 4 months, we're up $81,000, or we would be. Commissions and spreads aside, of course. And we're gonna, let's see, take a buy right here. Okay, needs to go up a little bit more. Our blue flipped, so we just want to get back above our entry and close it. There it is, just barely, so we'll go ahead and just close that. Basically breaking even there. And let's see if we go down here. Yep, we're going to take a sell. Let's see, is this over 5? Nope, not quite low enough. Gotta get a little lower. Okay, and we're getting stopped out here. We are officially up 31% though for April. Just so crazy. Okay, I have a buy here. Let's see if we can get more than 31. This will probably be the last trade. Okay, we're actually going to get closed out. And go the other way. Oh, you went the wrong... No! All right, well, we're happy with a 25% profit in April. So, yeah, that's great. All right, let's head into May. So we're starting at 73,000. So 4 months of trading up $73,000 with the way we're managing money here. That's where we'd be. And minus a decent sized chunk there for commissions, or not commissions, spreads. 740. Why is it starting there? Oh, did I miss a couple trades? 428. Hmm. Okay, sell first thing. Okay, we gotta get a little lower. Okay, we're getting signal to get out here. Okay, we're getting another sell. That seems a little bit of a late entry. Not bad though. We'll take it. Some 8 o'clock news went in our favor. Close that out. Almost. That's a $9,100 trade there. There's a buy. We're still in it. Just want to get back above our entry. All right, we're getting a sell. So close that and sell. Nice. Close half. Move our stop. And go for more. And more we get. So far. Let's see, got to move our entry again. Oh, not our entry, our standard. Keeping an eye on our TNTs. They're still bearish. Okay, there we go. We'll close that out. Awesome. All right, let's see if we get a buy. I bet we get a buy here in just a sec. Nope, past 9. So that was a good day. Okay, getting a sell first thing. Okay, we just need to get back below our entry since our blue flipped. Preferably before. Yeah, okay, we're getting a buy now. Oof, that hurts. Okay, but 8 o'clock news comes in clutch. Okay, close out half there. These aren't as big as they look. I mean, they're decent size, but they're not as big as they look. Okay. Entry to break even. There we go. New standard. Let's see how far we can ride this. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, close out there. Perfect. Ooh, 4,700 on that leg, on that runner. So a little over $6,000 profit on that trade. Sweet. Okay, I have a sell here. Okay, and it just wants to keep going. Oh, that's annoying. When did we get closed out here? 32. Okay, so we're actually going to go for another sell since TNTs are still bearish. Yeah, when we get these really big movements and we're just exhausted in the upper direction, it's quick to give us sell signals. Okay, I don't like that the blue flipped. Dang. Oh, I hate that. And ooh, whoa. And right when we're not getting the signal to sell, that's when it's going to start going down. Watch. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, that's terribly annoying. Okay, we are getting nope, no trades. It's past 9. What day are we on? 5-2. Okay, have a buy first thing. Hang on, our blues flipped right here, so I gotta close that out. Okay, here's a buy. Come on. We're still in it. For better or worse. We're still in it. Get back to our entry and we'll just, yeah, close that. Okay, on to the next day. There's a buy. Cool. Close half, locking up 2100. See how this runner does. Let's see. Okay, well, yeah, I got a little bit more. A couple hundred more. Our blue flips, so we can't stay in there. There's a sell. Max stops. Hate it when that happens. Okay, we're getting another sell. God, don't go. Two in a row, man. Gosh. Okay, now it's telling us to... Oh, hang on. We actually got to buy. I got to do that one over again. 818. Okay, that was a sell. Okay, and right here everything flips. So we... Ooh, this is good. This is good. We actually don't get maxed. Lost again. And we actually get to go for a buy. Okay, so indicators... showed up for us. Real nice. Okay. I'm gonna sell half, lock up 2,900. Move our stop loss. See if we can pick up some more. Which it looks like we are able to. Okay. Okay, well, yep, we closed that out right there. So, yeah, that's really good. 2,900 and 4,100. So, 7,000? 7,075? It's a good trade. Let's see if we can get up to 100,000 in the month of May. Probably going to take a sell here in just a sec, I would guess. Yep, there's the sell signal. Woo-wee. Okay, close a half there. New standard. Move our stop. The usual stuff. Our standard. Let's see, when did our blue flip? Right here. We're pretty much at our... Okay, there we go. Close that out there. Cool. Next day. Okay, we're making new highs. So this is 4 months and 5 days worth of back testing. And I have a sell signal here. Down, down, up. That's a sell. Let's see, where were we? Right here. Okay, not quite far enough. Here we go. Cool. Lock up that 1300. Move our, so close half, move our stop. New standard here. See how our runner does. Okay, the blue flipped, so we'll close that out there. So runner picked up a little bit more. Yeah, very nice. About $600 more. Almost 700. Okay, on the next trade, which is a buy right here. Okay. Wow, that's lucky. Okay, we're actually just going to close out right here since our blue flipped. Right there at the break even. And on to the next. You might not get another one. Nope. All right, next day. Oh, there's a buy. Okay, we're making new highs. This is good. Whoa. Come on. Did we really just get a sell signal there? Ooh, that's a little scary. Yeah, that's exactly what I was worried about. Gosh. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, I have a sell here. Gosh, we got a lot we got to try to claw back here. And our blue flips, so we're actually going to close this right there. Okay, there's a buy. Gosh, this is ugly price action. Just absolutely terrible. Terrible until it starts going your way. Okay, have a sell. Get some 9 o'clock magic going here. TNTs are bearish, so okay. All right. Well, we picked up a couple hundred. Pretty crappy day though. Yeah, almost $10,000 lost right there. All right, we're going into a sell first thing. Whoa. Oh, woof, dude. Sheesh. All right, close that one out for 3,700 loss. There's a buy. Gosh, all right, another loss. Go for a sell. Okay, lock that up. Okay, now we just, oops. We're actually getting a buy signal here, so we actually gave a little bit back there. Nothing terrible though. Next day. Take a sell. Blue flipped, so we'll just get back to our entry and close. Let's see if we get a buy here. Nope. So that was a little uneventful. Nah, there were some trades. All right, we lost money though. Okay, let's get back to our... Oh, max loss. I hate that. Ah, I hate those max losses. You gotta have a stop somewhere, though. Let's see if we can claw it back. Okay, close that there. So we got some of that back. Have an hour left, so we got time. Gonna take a buy. Okay, close half. Oh, close all of it actually, our blue flipped. Okay, I have a buy now. Probably the last trade here. Close half. Okay, so we locked that up. Let's see what happens from here though. Okay, we definitely mitigated a loss there. Okay, lock that up by closing half. New standard. Okay, blue flipped, so let's see if we can just get back above our standard. If we do, we close it. There we go. All right, picked up a little bit more there. Yeah, almost 1,000 more. What is this nasty mess? Take a sell. Okay, sell half, so 1,100. Here we go. So locked up 1,100 and picked up 2,500 more with the runner. So we're back to 80,000. Where were we? 73 63, I think, is where we started. So we're up 7% after on May 12th. All right, next day. Okay, we're at 62. I think we were up at 63 at one point, but we had probably around right here. Yeah, that's okay. If we can get up to 63, 64 by the end of the year, that'd be freaking amazing. Probably won't. Well, maybe 63. We'll probably stay at 62, maybe go down to 61. It's harder to increase your win rate than it is to decrease it. So I don't think we're going to be moving up. But if we did, that would be absolutely incredible. Anything's possible. Not holding my breath for that, though. Alright, I have to go a little further before we can lock anything up there. Same thing. There we go. Actually, when did our... Ah, man. Our blue flipped right here, so we just have to close it on the first... Yeah, right here. Darn. That kind of stinks, but that's the rules. So we do miss out on that big move there, but it's best to not fudge our back testing because you're only hurting yourself when you do that. Take a sell. Probably last trade here. Okay, we need a little bit more. We're still in this. Okay, close out there. All right. Have a buy first thing. Okay, now we just need to make it back. There we go. Cool. 460 bucks. Can't complain. And on to the next. Just gonna be a sell. You're right there. Sweet, lock that up. Basically guaranteed win, and everything past this is just gravy. Sometimes you want more gravy, but hey, any gravy is gravy. Gravy is gravy. What am I talking about? Sweet. Close that out there. So we got a lot of extra gravy there. About $1,200 worth. Extra. There's a buy. Come on. What is that? Nasty. Our blue flip, so we just gotta get back above our entry and we'll close it. Consider ourselves lucky and happy. Take a sell. There's a move. Okay, hold on. Okay, close half. Lock up at 960. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see how much we can get. Give it some gravy. Gravy. Okay, all right. Well, we got it. We got to smell. We got to smell the gravy. All right, we're gonna go for. Oh nope, it's 9 o'clock. Next day. Yeah, I think this is performing a lot better than our previous version of this, where we didn't sell sell, close half of our trades in certain scenarios. Okay, we're pretty oversold, so oh man, I don't like selling into this. I mean, there's no reason why it can't keep going, so I just don't think it will. And we get closed out of this trade right here. And we're not going to get the signal, so we are getting a signal to sell though, so let's see if we can continue this down pattern. Go with the trend here. It's choppy, chop, chop. Okay, we're getting a buy, so basically break even there. We're gonna see if we can break on the upside here, which it doesn't look like it will. Yeah, getting the signal to get out right there, so kind of a blah day. Okay, getting a buy first thing. Whoa. Okay, we're still very oversold. Our blue flips, so we're just going to try to get back to our entry. Okay, we're still in it. Okay, all right, close that out for $720 profit. Lucky gains. Okay, getting a sell. Okay, and our blue flipped. We're above our the body of the previous candle, so we'll close that as well. No. I feel like I'd be fudging it if I took that right there. Yeah, darn it. Okay. Well, would have lost either way. Or blue flipped, so we got to get out right here. $600 gain. Take a sell. What in the world? This is so strange. Okay, we're getting a buy now. Really? Ah, okay. Okay, have to close right there. All right, we're drawing it down just a little. It's just part of trading. It's going to happen. You're going to draw it down every once in a while. Oh, gosh. All right. This is where we started, isn't it? 73. So we're basically breaking even for the month of May. That's a sell. Woof. Sell. Okay, hang on. Right here. Okay, not quite low enough to sell half. Close half. This one is, though. So we will. Okay, well, hey, we're happy that we got $500 there instead of a big old loser. So it's kind of exactly why we move our stop loss and close half. Oh, goodness. Okay, you have to get out here. Man, we're really drawing it down. We've drawn it down from where were we at 80? I can't remember how high our high water mark was. It was like, I think we got to 80, a little over 80 maybe. Okay, here's a buy. Okay, not quite high enough. Still not quite high enough. Blue flipped right here. So we'll close that here for small profit. On to the next day. Okay, blue flips, so we're just going to try to get back to our entry. Perfect. Close that out there. That's a lucky win there. There's a buy. Okay. Close half. Move our stop. See if we can get some gravy. Okay. We're still going. All right, close that out right there. So we did pick up a little bit more. Taking the sell now. Sweet. So we get to close that, lock up the 730. Cool. Picked up almost 1,000 more there. We're going to take a buy. Last 10 minutes of the day. We get to lock up another 520. And we need to close that right there, actually. So picked up another $5. Okay, here's a sell. Okay. Our small TNTs flip, so we have to close that for tiny loss. Okay, ugh, gosh, okay, it's going down again. Let's see, okay. All right, we're closing that since our orange is not facing the right way anymore, so 180. I really want to take a buy. There it is. We've just been so far away from pressure for so long. There we go. All right, we're touching pressure. All right, we get to lock up 1500. And let's see if we continue the trend or if we break through pressure. Ah, okay, we actually have to close it out right there since we went back above our standard with blue facing down. Okay, so cool. Picked up a couple extra bucks there. Yeah, we still have time. What am I doing? Okay, taking a sell now. Sweet. Okay, we're gonna lock up another 675. Okay, all right. Cool. Well, we picked up 675 there. Got a few days left. So we're up, what we were at 73, so we're up 7, almost 8%. Not bad. If you could do 8 to 10% every month, I mean, you're getting rich fast. And that seems to be the lower end of what this is going to do, this strategy. But anything can change. I mean, it could lose for the rest of the year for all we know. That's why we're just getting as much data as we can. Okay, we need to go for a little bit more here. Alright, darn. Okay, we gotta close that for a loss. Interesting that we're going for a sell. Alright, whatever. Okay. Oh, come on. Get back down. Okay. Dang, okay, it's telling us to buy now. No, go back up. Crap. Okay, we're getting the signal to get out here for a loss. Okay, we have a sell now. Hey, there we go. Keep going. Okay, lock up 2100. Lovely. See what gravy we can get. A little bit more. Extra 250. Okay, we can go for a buy. Okay, close that out. Our orange isn't facing the right way anymore, and our blue isn't really either, so yeah. Snagged a little bit off the top there. Okay, 3 days left in May, and we're up 8%, give or take, for the month of May. And up 81% for the year. It's honestly amazing, guys. The part where this gets tricky is if you're trying to use a prop firm, if you need to stay within parameters. So that's the main reason why we're trying to get as much data as we can, so that we can use money management to stay within the parameters and try to stay as profitable as possible. Because we could do this with our own account all day, but when we're using prop firms, there's rules you got to stay within the bounds of. All right, what the crap is this? Okay, so we took a buy. Gross. Okay, so we're gonna close that out for that's not as bad as it looks, actually. Okay, it wants to go for a sell now. What random moves, though? Come on, let's get down. Okay, close that too. Take a sell. There we go. Oh, I only took one. I need to take two here. There we go. Okay, these are actually pretty small candles. This isn't as big of a move as it looks. We're not even at 1,000 yet. There we go. Okay, our blue flip, so we'll close that out there for 1,170. Still red for the day. We're getting a buy right here. Come on, get up. Wrong way. Okay, we're getting a signal to exit. I'm curious what return this month got. So we'll have to check that out with our previous back testing. Because so far, what we've compared so far, it's been an average of 5% better per month, which is actually amazing. Nice. Close that out for a lovely $3,500 profit. On to the next. Okay, have a sell. Okay, we're still in this. No, we're not anymore. Take a buy. Woof. Gosh. Who's calling me? Hang on. Hello? Yeah. Hey. Yeah, no worries. It'd probably be better if you did it yourself, I think. But yeah, yeah. Are you able to come? When are you able to make it over? Okay, yeah, yeah, that works. Yeah, yeah, we are. Okay, I'll see you in just a second then. Okay, bye. Well, I gotta go because I have a La Peace Ossifer at my front door. So, cheers.